In our last video, we tackled the basics of data cleaning, like handling missing values and removing duplicates. Today, we're diving into advanced techniques like feature engineering, balancing imbalanced data, and scaling so your data is ready for analysis. Let's get started. First, let's explore feature engineering. This is the process of creating new variables from existing data to uncover deeper insights. For instance, we can extract the year, month, and day _ week from a date column. Breaking down the date column into these components helps identify trends and patterns in your data. Next, let's handle imbalanced data. In classification problems, one class often dominates the dataset, which can lead to biased models. Here we'll use SMOTE synthetic minority oversampling technique to generate synthetic samples for the minority class. Create synthetic data points for the minority class, ensuring a balanced dataset for training your model. Outliers can skew your analysis or disrupt your models. Let's use z-scores to detect and remove these extreme values. Z-scores measure how far each data point is from the mean. Any value beyond 3 standard deviations is considered an outlier. Scaling ensures that all features are on the same range, which is essential for many machine learning algorithms. Here we'll use standard scaling and min-max scaling. Choose your scaling method based on the requirements of your analysis or model. For example, min-max scaling is ideal for algorithms like NIN. Finally, let's encode categorical variables. Models require numeric inputs, so we'll convert categories into numbers using one-hot encoding and label encoding. One-hot encoding is great for unordered categories, while label encoding works well for ordered data. Use the method that best suits your dataset.
Before we wrap up, if you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's e-learning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential.
That's it for part 2 of data cleaning and preparation. Today we explored advanced techniques like feature engineering, SMOTE, Outlier Detection, scaling, and encoding. In our next video, we'll dive into exploratory data analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more data tips.